Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Queen Elizabeth Community. Today I am come up with another very exciting and amazing project. Before we are going to start the review of my interesting project, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Do your own research for every investment you make. This video is only for educational purpose. As you can see on my screen, the first Pappy Hammer a project which is a very demanding and a very interesting and also the very profitable and a very amazing project. So this is the first Pappy meme coin with the AI powered yield optimization protocol. Also the Hamifier, it's a tool that helps user identify potential profit opportunities and allocate your portfolios to earn the profit, all automated by AI. And also in this you can see that they are to blockchain the deep in the darkest corner of the internet where the memes ruled supreme. Happy Hire has found the chain reaction of the layer 2 blockchain. They have zero fees. They have atomic Hamifier FIA automatically forms yield under all the market conditions. They are allowing the smallest folk to join with the help of the rule base, and also they have the Gem Fusion, that a tool that helps user identify to the hidden games with the one touch. So this is all about their amazing platform. And also now I am becoming the L2 to destroy the gas fees, the token audit and everything. You can see, and also you can see guys how you can connect your wallet. You have to simply just pay with Ethereum and you can receive, and then you can enter your code, and also then after entering your code you can connect your wallet guys. And also you can check the top exchanges listing secured. Pappy Hammer is officially confirmed for the launch of major global exchanges including 20 more tier 1 exchange from the US and globals. They are trusted by Binance, they are trusted by CoinMarketCap, and you can see that guys they are very interesting. The first ever Pappy meme coin with an AI powered yield optimization protocol. They aimed to choose of the gas wars plagued by the network and rug pull dramas and the Pappy Hammers that you can say guys held by the blockchain weakest link. His answers, the Pappy Hammer designed his own layer 2 that fast, scalable and the continuous at the mime's power. The blockchain ecosystem, the DEX and the bridge. You can see the roll-ups, the DEX, the swipe tokens on our lightning fast decentralized exchange. The bridge move between the chains with the Pappies that secure the bridge solutions. And also they have the roll-ups that you can see guys. Follow transaction, verify everything with our block explorer, the staking, the all new token launches that allowed you to launch an automatic Hamifier which is form yield without constant monitor with the help of AI. And also you can see that their bridge, which is the ultimate cross-chain reactors, making it easy to move assets between the different blockchains. They are very insecure, ensuring the fast, the secure, the seamless transfers. Launching a token, how it performs, believing in the automatic Pappy Hammer exchange that delivers explosively benefits, zero fees, top securities, cross-chain bridges and legitimacy. And the scammer got guys the vaporized only trusted token survives the fair and honest listing. Apply the market overview and also the AI infrastructures. You can see that the AI rig complex 28%, the Severn Mood 22%, the Bacanon protocol 12%, the cluster 42%, and the virtual 62%. You can check the atomic AI powered yield optimization. You can see that this is the AI driven yield optimization tool that providing the user with the smarter automated strategies to maximize the profit across the DeFi. And also they are AI rebalancing the time efficient. They are on the as the bonuses as you can. That also they have the game fissions. With the help of AI, game fissions can quickly identify the target, acquire the most valuable hidden gems with the just touch. So only by this holders can use this bot and buy on now before it's too late. So buy right now. The listing update, you can check this out. They are coming soon guys. And also, what do the people say about the Pappy Himify? You can see the people overviews on the YouTuber, so you can check their overviews, their comments you can see, and also you can check the YouTube video so that you get updation and you can get to know their importance out and how to buy this amazing platform, this amazing token. You just create and follow the wallet and choose the amount and buy and the stake. The simple the fee 3 steps of this amazing platform, so you have to just go through it and get this buy token. And also the token mnemonics pre-sale 40%, marketing 10%, liquidity 12%, and the staking and community 33%, L2 inventories which is 5%, so that you can see the roadmap. Like they have the phase 1 which is theoretical foundation, the phase 2 in which they have the chain reaction, phase 3 they have the Trinity test, and the phase 4 you can check the Mushroom Cloud. You can see this is the roadmaps, their strategies they are going through, and all you can frequently ask the question. And also guys, you can check this out. The Pappy Hammer introduced this is the Binance Square AI powered yield optimization launches token pre-sale. You can check this out. Explore the latest crypto news. This is a meme coin merging the prevalent meme culture with the real utility, officially launched with a new approach to the target AI powered DeFi tools for the yield optimization. So that's a very great opportunity. Pre-sale which is 40%, staking and community 33%, liquidity 12%, marketing 10%, L2 inventory 5%. You can check this out. And also the further detail you can go it. The post Pappy introduce AI powered yield optimization. You can check this out. And also guys, you can join them on their Telegram. By joining them on the Telegram, you can get updation for their further upcoming amazing video notifications. So you have to be the part of their channels, and you can simply subscribe their Telegram channel so that you can be the part of this. And also guys, you can be the online member of this community. So you have to just go and join their Telegram, subscribe their Telegram, and be the part of this amazing community so that you get updation of this interesting and outdating project, and you can get to know about this. Guys, also you don't forget to send your friends and family so that they get benefit from it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care.